your channel login helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how can you flip your camera while recording on TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's first open our TikTok app. So basically there are a lot of options in TikTok which you can do your boost your creativeness for your contents in TikTok. Now so by the same way, you need to know a bit about effects. So let's go to our record option, and the bottom of our screen, just hit on the record. You can see the flip option over here. If you tap there, the camera will be flipped. I will not be showing my face, and the camera is flipped. And here guys, again the camera is flipped. So this is how you can flip a camera. If you're recording a video, let's record it. So while you are recording, you cannot flip any cameras. So there guys, this is how you flip a camera in TikTok. And if you have any questions or confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.